Wolan, yeah man. Why you a say? Shut up. Rastaman no go speak broken English. Rastaman go speak fluent English. Why you a say that to Rastaman? We no go speak broken English. Who broken that English? Shut up. Nonsense.